Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. How are you all? I hope you are all good, fine, with good health at your home with your families. Alhamdulillah. As you know, dear student, this is your third geo class today, and we are going to start the next topic, inshallah. But before that, I hope all of you have learned the previous topics which we have done online or which we have done in the class. For that purpose, first of all, I need your geo book, your pen, page front of you, and we are going to start the next topic. As we know that we have running in the continent North America, in which we have done the introduction of the continent, we have discussed about the Greenland, and now we have done the also USA, and now we are going to start the next topic, and that is Canada. So today the next topic which we are going to start, that is Canada. First of all, we are going to do what is the location of the Canada, what is the importance of the Canada generally. In the world in fact page, we also have learned about some points regarding to the Canada. Do you remember that? Yes, I hope that all of you have remembered. For example, the first, Canada is the second largest country in the world by what? By land. Yes, it is the second largest country by land. Location wise, Canada is located in the northwest of Asia or of world, northwest of the world, because it is a part of North America, right? Canada is located in the northwest. It is a part of North America. Canada is a very important country in North America. It has a huge mountain range and known as Rocky Mountain or Canadian Rockies. Okay, Rocky Mountain or Canadian Rockies. Canada, right? Rocky Mountain or Canadian Rockies. Fine. Okay, first of all, the location of the Canada. Okay, class, this is the map of the Canada. It is the Canada map which you have. Okay, class, this is the map of the Canada country. It is the whole map of Canada. It is a boundary line to coming to the neighbor countries of the Canada, because it share a border with the country by land as well. And remember girls, which you can see these areas, these are the islands. Okay, all these are the island countries of Canada. And now coming towards the world map to see the location of the Canada on the world map. Okay, as you know, you have a world map in your book. Here we have a part of North America, the whole area of North America. Here you have the Canada. This is the country Canada which you have. Okay, it is the Canadian country which we have. It is the whole area of the country Canada. Okay, this is the second largest country in the world by land. And remember, these areas which you can see, these all are the islands. These all are the islands countries in Canada. Okay, Canada share a land border with USA in the south and also share a land border with Alaska. It is the, what is Alaska? Do you know very well? Yes, it is the state of USA. And Canada also have the island countries. In the west of Canada, you have Atlantic Ocean. In the east of Canada, you have Pacific Ocean. In the north of Canada, you have Arctic Ocean. Yes, you have Arctic Ocean. This is the location on the world map in the Canada. It is a part of the North America. No, what we have in the north, we have Arctic. In the west, we have Pacific. In the east, we have Atlantic Ocean. Okay, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. These are the oceans which surrounded by Canada. Canada also have the islands, many islands. Okay, Canada also the symbol of the country. It has a country symbol which is known as, the symbol of the country of Canada is known as maple leaf. Okay, The country is maple leaf. Canada also have variety of beer. Variety of beer Canada has. Which beer? G. Which beer? Of beer. Black beer, brown beer, and polar beer as well. Okay. Now coming towards the book, page 38, let's see what we have in the book about Canada. Come towards your book, Canada. This is the topic of Canada in our book. First of all, the capital of Canada is Ottawa. Ottawa is a capital. Canadian has their own currency, and that is Canadian dollar. Okay. Ottawa is a capital, Canadian dollar is a currency, Christianity is a religion, English and French is the language over there. Canada is the second largest country in the world. Its important cities are Montreal and Toronto. Most of the part of the country is covered with snow. That's why it has a very low population due to the huge ice and extreme cold weather. The country is very wealthy because of the huge reserve of the natural resources, which include oil and wood. Canada has more than 1 million lake. Canada has a variety of beer. Polar bear can be found in the north, brown bear can be found in the west, and black bear in the east. Canada has a mountain range known as Rocky Mountain or Canadian Rockies. They are famous for their wild beauty and thick pine forest. Yes, Canada is a very famous country for that purpose. और इसके अलावा भी it's full of natural beauty. Canada has 10 provinces and Canada also is on number 38 by the population. Population wise it is on number 38. So now come to page number 39, which you have the pictures of Canada in your book. There are a lot of pictures. For example, this is a picture of maple leaf. This is the symbol of the country of Canada. It is a beautiful Rocky Mountain view. This is also the airport place. This is a lake of Canada. It's a huge lake. And this is also the highway of Alaska, which you can see. Alaska Highway, world famous Alaska Highway. Yes, it is the route which connected Canada by USA. Clear? And the polar bear. Now coming towards the pictures of Canada. Okay, dear student, this is the map of North America and Canada. These all are the islands of Canada, and rest here you have a cities of Canada. Okay, it is a picture of the polar bear. We have a variety of bear in Canada. Okay, polar bear, black bear, brown bear. These are the Rocky Mountains which we have in Canada. What? Rocky Mountains. This is the Rocky Mountain or Canadian Rockies, you can say it is. What is the capital of Canada? It is Ottawa. This is full of natural beauty. Tourists love to go there and visit Canada for its beauty. Now we have a video so I'm going to play the video of Canada. So in this video you can have a look the country Canada, and the important city of Canada is Toronto. This is a video of Toronto city of Canada, which is full of high-rise building, and it is also the full of natural beauty as well, because the location of Toronto is a very, very impressive and breathtaking in the sea and the sea harbors area or the sea areas of the country. Okay, this is the city of Toronto. It's a huge view of the city Toronto. High-rise building, as we know that there is lot of high-rise building. This is a way of the routes of the Torontos in Canada. This is the route of the railway tracks, main routes. By car, most of the people have their own car because they have a low population. As we read there, they have a low population due to the huge coldness weather or the weather coldness or the huge ice. What can you say? Huge but very low population. This is the coastal area of Toronto, because Toronto location wise it's connected with the water. Harbor area as well, and very full of natural beauty, as we know that Toronto. Now coming towards the next is Canada. Now we are coming towards the whole country, Canada. It's a very short video and short clip. You can have a look on the net as well. The whole beautiful country. World is very beautiful. Lot of areas. इवन हम कह सकते हैं हमने तो अभी पूरा पेशावर भी नहीं देखा, तो दुनिया तो दूर की बात है, जबकि पेशावर में भी बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत प्लेसेस हैं. राइट, दिस इज़ द नेचर इन कैनेडा बिकॉज इट्स सराउंडिंग बाय वाटर एज वेल. इट्स अ हाई राइज बिल्डिंग इन कैनेडा. Harbor areas, lot of islands we have in Canada, so these things are very common. Water is there, shipping is there, fishing is there. तो ये बातें तो इसमें होंगी, जाहिर सी बात है. लेकिन उसके अलावा लोग the beautiful architectural design, the construction of the roads, the balancing in the setting of the ways, the plantation, the harbor areas, the high-rise buildings, which is increasing day by day. It's a developed country. And you know the huge resources, oil and wood. जब oil and wood resource है, उसके अलावा fishing है, shipping है, तो फिर तो आपको पता है कि काफ़ी हो सकता है. Right class? So it's full of beauty of the nature. It's a very short video clip of Canada. It's a night view of Canada. At the evening, you can say. Clear class? Okay class, this is your today's lecture about Canada, and we have a class online as well. I hope you all will be present in the class, must be with your book and with best responses. Right, till then, see you in the next class. Good, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.